Okay guys, so all you need to get started on blessing your home is a pitcher of water. You're going to need some saran wrap, but in my case I have a Ziploc bag because I cannot find my saran wrap. Get you some crystals, whatever crystals you feel navigated to. In my case, I am using my throat chakra crystals because these are the crystals that I'm currently using for meditation, and I chose to get the Ankh. Now you don't have to have the Ankh, you don't have to have the cross if you don't want to. Just get whatever makes you feel good, but make sure you have some crystals and the things that you see right here, okay? All right, so the next thing that you would want to do is to take those crystals and you're going to put those crystals inside of the water, okay? Make sure the crystals are clean because you may want to drink some of this to amplify the energy within you. And keep in mind, this is also going to amplify your living area. And for me, I like to put it in my grass. I like to put it in my yard because I love my yard to be protected. So make sure you put your crystals in there. If you would like to use the Ankh, you can. If not, that's okay as well. Okay, so the reason for this Ankh, if you do not want to draw the Ankh, if you do not want to draw the cross in your water, what you can do is tap it 3 times. You know, 3 is the magic number. So make sure you have pure thoughts when you're doing this as well, and make sure that your cross or your Ankh is clean. Again, make sure that you're using mental words. You don't have to say it out loud. But for me, I want my water to be blessed. I want everything around me to be blessed. Okay? And also, whenever you're making holy water, make sure that you're doing it in the sun. The sun must be present at all times. The sun amplifies the water. The crystals also amplify the water as well. Keep in mind that your words have power. So be mindful of what you are saying. So I'm going to say a little something to the water. I ain't going to say it publicly, but that's something that you would want to do, okay? And as I stated, since I don't have any saran wrap, I'm going to use my Ziploc bag. And the reason I'm using something protective over this is because I do not want any insects inside of this, just in case I may want to drink this, okay? You're going to let this sit for 3 hours. However, make sure you document the time that you start. So right now on my time, it is 1:00 p.m. So I have already said my affirmations to the water. So that means again at 2 o'clock, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to dip the Ankh in, or if I do not want to use the Ankh, I can draw the Ankh inside of the water. You're going to do this for 3 hours. So at every hour, for 3 hours, you're going to take that Ziploc bag off or the saran wrap off, and you're going to communicate with this water and tell the water what you want it to do. But make sure you do not forget to time it for 3 hours. At every hour, take the saran wrap or the Ziploc bag off and communicate to the water. Really quickly, fast if you can. It goes hand in hand with blessing your home. All right guys, so the water has sat for 3 hours, and now it is time to pour it on the grass. So you can keep it in the pitcher, or if you want to put it in a flower bucket, you can do so. And that's pretty much what I've already did. As you can see, most of the water is gone. I've already poured it in here. So I'm going to take some of this and I am going to actually put it in my yard. Make sure that you're using affirmations while you're pouring the water so it can amplify. I'm not going to tell you what I'm saying. I'm going to do it telepathically. And whenever you're doing it, make sure that you don't do it aggressively because everything is energy, okay? And this takes about, for me, 10-15 minutes. Now for you, it may be quicker, it may be longer. It doesn't matter because it's all about you and the connection with your area where you are living. Again, you can do it inside of the house. You can do it outside. I prefer to do mine outside. So that's really all you need. All you need is, like I say, the pitcher of water. You're going to need some crystals. If you have a cross, if you want to use the cross, use the Ankh. I prefer the Ankh. And yourself. Make sure the sun is shining. You need to make sure you have so much energy that you possibly can to amplify the energy in your home. All right, guys, you just saw my video about how to bless your own home, your own space. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more information about spirituality, herbalistic tips for your good health, and real life events. Have a great day. Ashe.